Let me tell you something that might sound crazy. You can't invest in crypto until you actually have some. And buying it? Well, that's where most people screw up. Not because they're stupid, but because the system is rigged. You see, most banks don't want you anywhere near crypto. Even though it's your money, they'll block the purchase. They'll say it's for your safety. But let's be honest, they're scared. Crypto is the future. It's faster, smarter, decentralized. And they're terrified you'll figure that out. So the first big hurdle? Just buying your first coins. Now luckily, I'm going to walk you through 5 ways to do it. Pros, cons, and no fluff. Let's break it down. Option 1. Buy it straight from your software wallet. This one's easy and fast. Super convenient. The only downside? The fees are a little higher than other methods, but not by much. Think of it as paying for convenience. Like ordering Uber Eats instead of cooking. Worth it when you just want to get started today. Option 2. Use a crypto exchange. This is where buyers and sellers meet to trade crypto. You've probably heard of some. Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini. Sounds great, right? Well, yes and no. Exchanges are powerful. The fees are low. You get tons of coin options. But they come with risks. Remember FTX, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, gone overnight. Billions vanished. People lost everything. So here's the golden rule. Never leave your funds sitting in an exchange. Buy what you need, then move it to your own wallet. Period. Also, every exchange is tied to a different blockchain. Binance uses BNB chain. Coinbase sticks to Ethereum. So if you need to move coins between chains, you'll need to use something called a bridge, and that can be a pain. If you go the exchange route, just start with Binance. It's the most flexible. Option 3. Use a crypto-friendly bank. Most banks block crypto, but not all. Some online banks like Revolut, WireX, and Juno actually let you buy crypto right inside the app. Revolut is the star here, especially in Europe. No branches, all digital, and it works. You just move money into your account, click a button, and boom, you've got crypto. The only downside? You'll still need to transfer your coins to a wallet and sometimes bridge them. But that's true with almost every method anyway. If you want reliability and low fees, Revolut is a solid choice. And yes, I highly recommend you open an account there. It'll make your life a lot easier. Option 4. Bitcoin ATMs. Yep, they exist. You'll see them at airports, gas stations, and busy stores, especially in the US. They look like regular ATMs, and you can buy Bitcoin on the spot. Easy? Yes. Convenient? Definitely. But here's the problem. The fees are sky high. It's like buying bottled water at an airport. You're paying for location. Still, if you're in a jam and there's one nearby, it works. Option 5. Crypto on-ramp services. These are websites like Paybase, Swapin, MoonPay, and ChangeLly. They let you buy crypto with a clean, simple dashboard. You pick the coin, enter the amount, and click buy. No charts, no confusion, just easy buying. But again, higher fees and you'll still need to transfer your crypto to a wallet. So after all that, what's the best move? Honestly, 2 options rise above the rest. Buy directly from your software wallet. Fast, simple, and no third-party headaches. Open a Revolut account. Because in the long run, having a crypto-friendly bank will save you a ton of stress. Bottom line? The crypto world rewards action takers. So if you're serious about getting in the game, don't wait. Click the link in the description and start building your crypto stack the smart way. The future is already here. You just need to take the first step.